Hey everyone, Aram here. As 3D artists, we all know that how much time it takes to create full animated scenes, lighting, sound design, camera motion. It's fun, but it's very slow. But I just tested something insane. Higgsfield just released Kling 2.6 audio, and trust me, this update actually generates video, expressive voice, atmospheric audio, and all in one in single output. Today I will show you real demos, real prompts, and how this can help you and speed up your workflow. Let's jump in. So Kling already became popular for high quality video generation, but this new audio update is game changer. You can now generate character motion, camera movement, dialogues, atmospheric sounds, voice synced with facial expressions without animating anything manually or using any software. As a Blender creator, this is super crazy because you can generate reference scenes, product ads, drafts, story concepts all in minutes. And here is something huge for creators. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscribe to their ultimate plans by December 12th. So if you want to try this update without limits, this is the best time. So let's jump into Higgsfield AI and I will show you how it exactly works. I have put the link in description of this AI tool. So here is my first test. Since I do Blender product animations and I tried to creating a cinematic product reveal ad using AI. So first of all, you need to add your prompt here, but if you don't have any prompt, you can also generate by using any AI tool. All prompts I have used will be in description, so you can paste the prompt and you can also select duration, aspect ratio, and model of Kling. So let's generate. So you can see here it's in progress, and you can see here it has created a wonderful ad. I will show you the preview of this ad. Let's play our video and see what's happening.
Experience the essence of luxury encapsulated, a fragrance that tells your story.
And perfect lighting to my scene and created a perfect audio. So I'm really impressed by that, and I want to test characters animation. So let's add prompt and I will see you later. So I will remove this prompt and just add my new prompt, and once again all prompts are given in description below, you can check it out. So I will click on generate and let's wait for it. So our new video is also generated. Let's play it.
Something doesn't feel right here.
And I'm really impressed because it created a very nice video. I'm really proud of this tool. So you can also download it from here, or you can also add to folder or upload to your profile also like this. And you can also download it or publish, upscale it. You can also edit, or you can also rerun it. If this made a mistake, you can also rerun it, but it's really good and I'm impressed by this work. So let's play one time more.
Something doesn't feel right here.
Yes, and that's very nice. And let's try something forest or drone type. Okay, so this prompt will be also given in description. Let's try this prompt. So I will remove this prompt from here and paste my prompt here. So I will paste this prompt and click generate. And if you do manually in any 3D software to create audio or any video editing software, this will take many time to synthesize audio with perfect clips. So this one is very easy. This can create just you can paste prompt and it will make video complete. So this is very good. I highly recommend to try this. So it has created video. Let's see.
Wow, the drone is picking up so much speed through these trees. Can you hear the wind rush?
And it is very nice, and I am really impressed by its sound effects and quality of video generations. So I would love to use it for lifetime. So if you want to use it, join it before December 11. So Let's play more one time.
Wow, the drone is picking up so much speed through these trees. Can you? You hear the wind
And
rushing past? It's incredible! Wow.
and it's really great. I'm really impressed by this work of Higgsfield.ai, and its audio generation 2.6 has the latest and great technology which is very accurate and much faster. And also it join lip sync and make the sound according to the environment. For example, I have added the jungle environment, then it has created video according to the jungle and created sound according to my reference, so it's really nice. So now let's come to the end, that why you use Higgsfield AI audio generation and video generation. Because it is latest technology and it will really help you if you are a video editor or are you a 3D animator. Why it is helpful for you? Because if you are a 3D artist or a 3D video creator or a video editor, you can use it, because it will really help you in your tasks and it will speed up your work. You can use this tool and you can stand out, and you can create only unlimited generations if you subscribe to Ultimate Plus. Okay, so if you buy a plan, I have provided a link in description and make your workflow 100x faster. And one more news, if you want unlimited generations, you can subscribe to Ultimate Plus Higgsfield AI plan, which will give you ultimate generations and high quality results. So try it, link in description, and I have also added my promo code that will give you much discount, so it will really help you. I will be back in your next video, and thank you for watching this video. I know you really enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and a subscribe on this channel and show your honest review about it. So we will meet in next video. Bye bye.